Alright, hey guys, Jira Bro back with the another video. In this video, we're actually gonna be using the Jira API and also Python in order to actually get all of the groups that are being used within your Jira projects. So it's going to scan through all of the projects, it's going to list the groups, and also it's going to list the role that is being used. So you can actually insert the groups within your project and also assign the roles to them. This can actually be really helpful if you have some old groups that are in the project, but you know that those people are not part of the company anymore, or this group is like really old and basically no one uses it. So you're wondering if you can actually delete that group, or you really don't, because if you delete that group, then people who are within that group will actually lose the access to that specific project. All right, so in this project, what I have is a group where I added a group named C Suite, and it's in the role of the administrators, and the name of this project is Platform Development. If we actually come to our Visual Studio Code in here, we can see some familiar API endpoints that are being called, which is getting all of the projects and also getting the project roles themselves based on either the ID or the key, and also to get all of the role details. So this is something that is being done within this script, and it's going through the name of this project, and then it's giving up the name, and also it is being defined within the group actors, which is for all the actors for Atlassian group role actor. Now, what happens when we run this script? So it's gonna go through all the projects in here. As you can see, I have like the API, I have API course, and there's the first one where it says commercial, legal, service desk team, or the customer support team, and it's giving me the name of these groups in here. So when it actually finishes, I can go through some of these projects, so I can actually show you that indeed this is this is accurate. It's not like, hey, I got this script for you, and basically it's not accurate. It needs to be accurate. Otherwise, then it would mean that I'm lying to you guys, which is something that I really don't want. All right, so there are actually a lot of stuff, a lot of groups in here, even with the role of viewer, even with the role of administrators, of course, even with the role of service desk team, because there are also JSM projects in there as well, which is, of course, the another thing. And there you go, where it says for the platform development, we have the C Suite group there. So that is really interesting. Okay. And I'm having some of the other projects, and as you can see, for those that there is an empty space, that basically means there are no groups that are being added to the project at all. So we have a lot of them actually in here. So commercial, legal, service desk, so which is the CLSD, and this is indeed the service desk project, which is actually interesting. If I go within the people and access, I'm going to indeed see that basically this project has JSM demo agents being added in here, and also the site admins. And if I go back, so it has the service desk team and also the role of the administrators. I have the administrators in here and service desk team as well, which is accurate. All right, so that is it that I had to show you today for this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.